Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft confirms that some of you might be getting an error on the install of the May Patch Tuesday updates. And of course, I've seen a few comments here on the channel about this error. So if you try to install and get 0x800f0922, Microsoft says it is because the EFI partition that is on your PC has less than 10 megabytes of space left. And so it creates a situation where it starts to install, restarts, then of course at the restart fails to install, gives this error message and rolls back. So Microsoft says that it's working on a fix. It is investigating and working on a fix to make sure that the update goes through. So it might happen at any time, and suddenly there will be an update to that update to fix the issue. Or what will happen with the bug fixing updates next month, but I would guess that they're going to try to reissue the update to have it working correctly. So this happens on Windows 11 only, and it happens with the Patch Tuesday update of May 2026, which came as KB 508-9549. So this means that you might have that issue. If you do, Microsoft working on a fix. So the question to you, if you have this error message this month, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.